When most people hear about Microsoft Office 365, they typically think that it's only hosted email. Office 365 has much more to offer than just hosted email. Once you're in the Office 365 space, you get access to many great services. To access the Microsoft Office 365 portal, you need to browse to portal.office.com. From here, enter your credentials provided to you by your company. My account's set up with two-factor authentication. Not everyone's is, but that is an option with Office 365. And once you've logged in, you'll be presented with your Office 365 account landing page. From here, you'll have access to applications you are assigned to. For more information on how Revolution Group can solve your business problems through technology, such as implementing Office 365 for you and your business, feel free to reach out to us. You can call us at 614-212-1111 or visit our website at www.revolutiongroup.com. And make sure to keep checking our YouTube channel for more technology tips and tricks.